Who's ready for a vintage recipe? I sure am, and it's a doozy. It's called Meat and Tater Bake. Tater's gonna tate, and it involves this, Corn Flakes. Let's get cooking. I need to crush some corn flakes. We need about 1 cup total of crushed corn flakes. This is a 3-layer bake, a meaty layer, a tater layer, and a cornflake layer. Let's start that meaty layer. In a bowl, I need half of those crushed flakes. We'll be using the other half later. Add a shake of salt, shake of pepper, tablespoon of mustard, and a 1/3 cup of milk. Mix that up. I've cooked up some meat and now I'm going to add that. Then we're going to pour that first layer in the bottom. Time for the tater layer. I start with a pack of instant mashed potatoes, a small pack. I'm adding a small chopped onion into that. A little parsley flakes. Mix that together. I'm going to mix in a couple beaten eggs. This gets spread evenly on top. I'll bake this in a 350-degree oven for about 25 minutes. It's cornflake layer time. Now it's baked and out of the oven, and it's time to work on the topping. We're going to have to put in those cornflakes because it's a cornflake topping. 2 tablespoons of melted butter, an ample amount of shredded cheese, and my favorite seasoning, smoked paprika. Mix that together, spread it on top, and then I bake it for an additional 10 minutes. Meat and Tater Bake. Let's try it. I'm quite excited about it. Has a little crunch, I like that. But I definitely feel all 3 layers. I'm loving the beef layer. I love the corn flakes, and the paprika gives it a nice, very nice flavor and a nice smell too. And I can feel the onions as well. It's a good dish. You know what? These vintage recipes sure are fun to try, and you can try them too. Just start up that oven and make this meat and tater bake. See you next time. Did you hear about the scientist whose pants kept falling down? Yeah, they just won the Nobel Prize.